What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to restrict Facebook Messenger messages. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up your Messenger application. Alternatively, you can also follow along using Facebook on your browser. I will first of all show you how to restrict users on Messenger. Navigate to the conversation you wish to restrict. From here, tap on the profile picture of the person. Here, scroll down and tap on Restrict. A pop-up window will open up, informing you what will happen when you restrict a friend or connection. In short, you won't receive message notifications from this connection. The person won't see your online or active status, and the connection will not be notified that you restricted them. Alternatively, you can also swipe the entire chat to the left, tap on the More icon and select Restrict. In case the settings and interface looks a bit different on your device, then ensure yourself that you're using the latest Messenger version. Open up your Google Play or App Store application and look up Messenger. You can then proceed to download the latest version before reopening the app. If you want to preview your restricted messages on Messenger, then tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen. From here, navigate to the Privacy section. Under Privacy, select Restricted Accounts. Here, you will see a list of unrestricted accounts and you'll be able to add or remove users from this list to unrestrict them if you want. Any additional information and consequences of restricting or blocking messages can be found in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.